Do you love to shop? And what's your shopping experience? I'm Sheila. I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. So let's talk about those 7 shopping habits that are ruining your look and how to fix them. You'll know if those habits are ruining your look if you find it hard to get dressed in the morning, if you're wearing the same thing every day, if you don't really love what you wear, and you're spending a lot of money and you have a closet full of clothes that are not really inspiring and you don't love. Because it's my belief that you should love everything you wear, and getting dressed should be fun. As I go through these 7 shopping habits, pay close attention to which one might be yours. Maybe you only have 1, maybe you have 2, and hopefully you don't have all 7. Shopping habit number 1 that could be ruining your look is shopping with a friend. Shopping with a friend who knows everything about you, who thinks she knows everything about you, and tells you this looks really great on you, when mostly it's her personality she's dressing for. So it's something she likes and she tells you it looks good. But in reality, it doesn't really look that great. Or she could say something like, oh, that looks just like you, which means it's something that you always wear. And if it's something that you always wear and you really love it, well, that's fine. But maybe you're trying to get out of a rut and you don't want to keep wearing something that you always wear. Maybe you want something different. Shopping with someone like this isn't inspiring. She might also tell you, well, this is stylish, this is not stylish, you should wear this, you shouldn't wear that. So if this is your shopping habit, you will end up with a whole bunch of clothes in your closet that you don't really like. Because after all, it's somebody else's style that you've bought. So if this is you and you want to make a change, the way to do this is to find your personal style. And to find your personal style, you'll need to do some self-investigation. So what styles do you like? What fabrics do you like? What makes you really feel good when you're wearing it? And you have to actually think about, what do I love when I wear it? What makes me feel good? What makes me not feel so good when I wear it? So when you can get those pieces out of your closet, the things you don't wear because they aren't your style, and you start shopping alone because you know what suits you, then your closet becomes a place you love to get dressed. Shopping habit number 2 that could be ruining your look is shopping only because you need something. So you put shopping off because you really don't like to do it. So you end up with clothes that don't really feel good. You don't like what you wear, but you wear them because of course you have to get dressed, so you have to shop. Shopping isn't fun for you. You end up buying the same style. So you found something that works. Kind of works. So maybe it's a top and pants, maybe it's a dress, but it's kind of like that uniform you always wear. And when you shop, you're in and out as fast as you can to get those pieces. And you would really love to be able to dress in a way that feels good and that's much easier. So what's the fix? The fix is to first find your body shape, because what I find is a lot of women who don't like the styles they wear and the styles don't look very good on them is because they're wearing the wrong styles for their body shape. So you need to find out what your body shape is, both the horizontal and vertical measurements, and then you need to find out what your personal style is. Even with just those 2 things, you can be a much happier shopper and you will love much more of what you wear. If you also make sure you're wearing the right colors, you will love what's in your closet. The 3rd shopping habit that could be ruining your look is buying on sale. So if you're a person who never buys anything full price, you're always looking for sales, and when there's that big sale, you buy everything, or you buy way more than you should buy. That is a recipe for disaster, unless you know exactly what you're looking for. So you know your best styles, you know your body shape, you know your coloring, and you know your personality type. So when you are really sure about the styles that are best for you and you would buy those pieces regular price, a sale is fine. But if a sale is something that just drags you in because you want to get a good deal, it isn't a good deal if it ends up in your closet and you don't wear it. So the fix for this is to find out, again, exactly what your style is, your body shape, your coloring. Make sure you know all of that. And then when you shop, you'll know, is this item really going to fit into my wardrobe? Is this item going to look really great on me? Would I buy it at full price? So if you buy a lot of stuff that's on sale, sometimes you end up spending just as much or more money than you would if you bought 2 or 3 items at full price that were really suitable for you. So if you're tired of closet frustration, you want to be able to dress well, you want it to be easy, you want to love everything in your closet, and you want to know how to mix and match so everything goes together well and you always look great, I invite you to join my 6-week signature style course, which will be starting really soon. And to get on the list, just send me an email and I'll put my email address down below in the description box. The 4th shopping habit that could be ruining your look is buying things to suit other people. So maybe you're buying to suit your partner, or maybe you're buying to suit your mother, maybe you're buying to suit your sister. Whoever that person is who's telling you this is what you should wear, this is what looks good on you, or you should never wear that. They don't take your opinion into consideration at all. It's what they want. It's what they want to see you wearing. So if this is you, you probably have no idea what your personal style is because you've been listening to other people. And you probably have other places in your life where you're listening to other people and they tell you what to do. So to get out of this, first start by thinking. Just put your mind over to a place where you think, what do I really want to wear? What do I like? So maybe sometimes you have chosen something that you wanted to wear, but because you know they would say, hey, you shouldn't wear that, you don't buy it. Or maybe they actually do say that you shouldn't wear it, so you don't buy it. So start paying attention to the things that you really like. What are you drawn to? What colors, what shapes, and what fabric? That will be the first place to start. When you have a closet full of clothes that someone else chose for you, you're not dressing for you anymore, and that's no fun. The 5th shopping habit that could be ruining your look is shopping like you shopped 10 or 20 years ago. So let's say you were in school, or you've been in school for the last 10 years, and you've dressed as you would for a school environment, but now you're working and you have a career and you need to wear something different, but you haven't really taken the time to change your wardrobe. So you're still wearing the same clothes and you really haven't thought about it that much. All you realize is that nothing seems to work for me. I don't ever have anything to wear, although I have all these clothes. The second way this might happen is if you are recently retired, you've been working in a career for 20 or 30 or 40 years, and you haven't really thought about your clothes. So now you have a closet full of clothes that you don't wear anymore, even though when you look at them and you're thinking, well, these are great clothes, they're in great shape, and you keep them, but keeping them there is making your closet overfull, overwhelming for you because you can't find what you really want to wear. There isn't anything in there that really suits this new lifestyle that you have. So the fix for this is to transition to your next lifestyle and to do a closet purge, declutter, get rid of all of the clothes that aren't working for you. And what I mean by aren't working is that they no longer fit your lifestyle. So get rid of them and then start making outfits with clothes that you could wear right now. And you can wear some of the clothes from your career, or maybe you can wear some of the clothes from your school, but you'll want to focus on what your new lifestyle is, the clothes you want to wear, the styles you want to wear, and then start building a wardrobe in that direction. The 6th shopping habit that could be ruining your look is settling for second best. So let's say you're shopping and you find a dress that is a pretty blue color and you really love the dress, you love the shape. But then there's another dress that is a dark brown color. Very much the same type of dress, but one is a bright, brilliant color and the other one is dark. And you choose the dark color because you don't really want to be seen. So if you choose this really bright blue or pink color, whatever that is, it looks great on you. You know it looks great on you. It feels good. but if you wear it, you're going to stand out, and you don't really want to stand out. So if this is you, the fix is to come out of your comfort zone and just try something a little bit at a time. So what I would suggest is first start with one item. So let's say you always wear these dark colors, but you really like the bright colors, or you wear these bland shapes, but you really would like to wear something shapely. Try just one thing. Maybe it's even jewelry. If you don't want to wear jewelry, try one thing. Maybe try a bright color. It doesn't have to be like a dress where it's going to show up, or a jacket. It could be something as small as a top or a blouse. Just choose that one thing and edge yourself into it. Because when you don't wear clothes that really speak to you and don't feel good, you are drowning your spirit. You will also have a lot of clothes in your closet that are dark colors and are uninspiring. And you don't want to have a closet like that either. So if you find you're settling for second best in your clothes, there might be other areas of your life where you're settling for second best as well. So think about the styles that you want to wear and then ease yourself into them. You don't have to do it overnight, but it's really important to start thinking about, why am I settling for second best? And I'll give you permission to go out and wear that pretty blue, pink, or red dress or top, whatever it is. Don't hold back. Create a wardrobe you really love. The 7th shopping habit that could be ruining your look is buying the latest fashions, following fashion trends. And if you do this, you have a closet that is full of a lot of pieces that don't really match very well. You could also have a lot of different colors. It's okay to do this if you have a really good sense of style, and you know your style, you know your fashion personality, and you can put it all together. But for someone who just buys fashion pieces, they end up with a lot of closet frustration. The fix for this is to have a core wardrobe that you really love, that has basic pieces in them, and then bring in some fashion pieces as you like. But don't have too many of them. Too many will clutter your wardrobe and will be frustrating for you, and you don't want to do that. To look great and to have a closet that you really love, which means being able to dress easily every morning, to have pieces that fit together really well and colors that really look great on you, you need to know yourself. And this takes a little bit of work up front, but once you get it done, it is good for life. So if you didn't find yourself in any of those habits and you know you have one, I've only just touched the surface on this. There are so many more habits that women have when it comes to shopping that gives them a closet full of clothes that they don't wear. If you have a habit that I didn't mention, put it down in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.